One of the biggest challenges for any business is keeping customer information organized, communicating well with leads, and tracking sales without everything ending up spreadsheets or sticky notes. That's where a CRM or customer relationship management tool that becomes very helpful. Today we are going to review one of the most talked about CRMs in the world, the HubSpot. Especially, we will answer the question that many new business owners ask. Is the free version of HubSpot CRM worth it? If you want to grow your business, manage contact better, and automate the simple tasks without spending money, this review will help you to decide if HubSpot is the right choice or not. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you to grow online using smart tools and easy methods. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use the link in the description to explore HubSpot. And by using the description link, you can get the free access or the special access, and it will apply it automatically. So you can test the tool very easily. Now let's come to the main part of the video. First, let's understand what a CRM does. A CRM helps you to store, organize the customer information in one place. Instead of keeping the name, emails, and conversations in different apps or spreadsheets, a CRM centralizes everything so you can see the full history of every lead and customer. So this helps you to save time and reduce the mistakes and make the smarter decisions. HubSpot CRM is one of the SaaS tools that offers a free plan with many useful features, even if you don't want to pay anything at first. Now, when you open the HubSpot CRM for the first time, the first thing you notice is its clean and beginner-friendly dashboard. Unlike some CRMs that feel confusing or overwhelming, HubSpot welcomes you with clear menus, easy to understand views, and some simple labels. This makes it especially good for beginners who are not technical or have never used a CRM before. You can quickly add contact, you can create the companies, you can record notes, and you can track the interactions without feeling lost in the platform. One of the strongest part of the free version is the contact and the deal management. You can create list of contact, lead prospects, and customers and enter their detail like name, email, company, phone number, and many more. You can also create the deals, which helps you to track how close a lead is to becoming a customer. HubSpot gives you a visual pipeline view that shows you where each deal stands, which makes it easy to know that what needs follow-up and what is closing soon. This visual pipeline is very helpful for teams because everyone sees the same progress and nothing gets forgotten. The free HubSpot CRM also includes activity tracking, which means you can log calls, record emails, you can set the follow-up reminders. For example, if you spoke to a customer on the phone and promised to send them additional information, you can write a short note right into the HubSpot so you don't forget. These activity log help you to stay organized and prevent the missed opportunities that often happen when contact history is scattered across apps. Another useful part of the free plan is email integration. You can connect your email account to HubSpot so that conversations are automatically stored inside the CRM. This means when you send or receive the emails, HubSpot keeps a record under the correct contact so you don't have to copy or paste the information manually. This is a real time saver and helps keep your communication history in one reliable place. HubSpot also offers basic reporting and dashboards, so you can see how many contacts you have and what stage your deals are in and how your team is performing. Even on the free plan, having a visual summary like this helps you to understand your business better without complicated setups. Now, it's important to talk about the free plan where it ends and the paid options where it begins. HubSpot offers additional paid module if you need advanced feature like marketing automation, advanced reporting, custom workflows, sales forecasting, and many more. These tools are powerful, but they are optional. For many small businesses, freelancers, and beginners, the free CRM features are enough to start organizing the contact, tracking deals, and managing communication effectively. One thing to keep in mind that when you are ready to grow and you need some automation or advanced marketing tools, HubSpot paid suites can become expensive compared to the simpler standalone tools. But for the entry level or early stage of business, the free CRM helps you to get organized and grow without paying anything upfront. So, is the free version of HubSpot CRM worth it? For beginners, for the small teams, and for anyone who needs a simple but solid way to manage contacts and sales, then the answer is yes. It offers the real value without cost. You get contact organized, you get the deal tracking, email integration, tracking logs, pipeline views, and basic dashboards that help you to manage your business more confidently. Many companies start with the free HubSpot CRM and only choose to upgrade when their business needs to grow. So that's all for today's HubSpot review and our look at whether the free CRM is worth it or not. If this video helped you to understand how HubSpot works and how it can support your business, give it a like and share it with someone who wants to organize their customer relationships better. Thank you so much for watching this video on Easy Access Tech, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.